One of the simplest ways to get organized within Salesforce in terms of being able to distinguish the things that you want to see from the things that you don't want to see is this concept of views. And so here you can see I've got a whole bunch of different views that are based on particular areas of interest that different people can look at. And so this is a really low tech from the standpoint of understanding how to configure it way to make sure that the information that you're looking at is the information that you want. So you can see here, if I want to look at all open cases, great, I get this big list, and there's a lot of information in here for me to see. But if I want to limit it to just a particular list, it's very easy for me to do that as well. So a lot of good information here, but if I want to come in and create a new view or make a view available to a different group of people, I can do that fairly easily as well. So I'm going to create a Josh's view here. I'm going to show all cases. Now you can see here that I can limit these views to specific queues, to just my cases, to case teams. There's a lot of flexibility here. And I'm also able to filter the types of things that go into this. Now, I'm going to filter this one on just tier 1 cases. So I also have an opportunity here to choose the fields that are going to be displayed. And so you can see here I've got case number, contact name, subject status, priority, date time opened, case owner, alias, but I think it's also valuable to have the last modified date, and I think last modified date and time. If your help desk is very time sensitive, that's an important thing. This last part is really important. It's about restricting visibility. So I can make this view available only to me, very useful for kind of customizing my environment to fit my needs. I can make it available to all users, and that's everybody. That's something to be really careful about. If I choose that, everyone gets access to this view. And then of course visible only to certain groups. So maybe I just want to make it available to executives. I've got a lot of options here, but in this case I'm going to make it available to all users, and I'm going to go ahead and save this view. And so you can see here I now have a view that's filtered on type, and that's really all there is to it.